guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and today I'm going to be making this My Melody inspired set on some Amazon tapered long square tips. I actually cut them down from the extra long tips down to this length and then done some pre-shaping. And now I'm taking my absolute favorite base, B071 from Beetles, and just applying one layer. And as always, I'm going to be linking everything that I use in the description box below. And if you guys aren't a fan of My Melody, I'm also going to be releasing another tutorial on a kuromi set I made for my friend soon. Now let's get back to the video. I've been getting a whole bunch of questions on how I make my press-ons look like acrylic. One thing I like to do is just to take my finger and just to wipe down the excess nail polish of the edges after each coat. And please use gloves. So this is what one layer of the B071 looks like. I like the color, but I kind of wanted to try out mixing different nudes together, so I'm actually going to go in with another nude from Amita. This is the nude 3 gel, and just apply one layer. I wasn't really sure what to expect by mixing the nudes, but it did come out a really nice color and it really matched my skin tone. So I'd probably do it again for future sets. And yes, usually I like to use these colors individually by themselves, but I feel like I'll use this combo a little bit more since it matches my skin tone. So this is what it looks like after the 2 different coats of nudes. A little bit more opaque and it's more of a warmer tone. And then next I played around with the colors. I took out this white gel from Beetles and then this pink gel that I also got from Beetles but in a set of 6. I ended up not using the second pink gel just because it was too much of a neutral tone and the nails I was making was more of a warm tone. And then I also got this hot pink fuchsia color from a set of I believe 16 and they came in the smaller 5 ml bottle. Also, here are the Sanrio charms I'm using. I got these off of Amazon for about I think 76 pieces for about 9 to 10 bucks. And this came with My Melody, Hello Kitty, Puchako, Kuromi, and then Pom Pom Purin. And now for the French tips. This is my favorite all-time brush. It's from Beetles. It's a long, thin brush. And I'm going to be dipping into the white gel and not the pink gel like the video. And we're going to be using that as our main primary color for French tips. And you guys, this is my favorite method of drawing on the French tip. I like to go ahead and draw on the edges and then freehand the smile line. I don't know, I mean I tried doing the A method, but that didn't really work well for me. I just prefer to freehand it, I don't know why, but it usually comes out very crisp and clean. And if you mess up, you can go ahead and go in with a flat brush dipped in some alcohol and then clean up your edges. Now I do know that basically all of my designs either use an ombre nail or a French tip nail, but I've been trying out aura nails and other like Korean nails. I actually have an aura nail tutorial coming up soon that I made for a client, and I actually did that without using an airbrush. I am thinking of investing in one soon, but I just don't want to drop 50 bucks on one, especially without doing research. Anyways, you guys, if you have any Pinterest inspo or any ideas for what you want me to do for my next video, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I'll probably reply back to you as soon as possible. I love trying out new things, so please don't hesitate to do so. And oh my gosh, you guys, we're almost at 100 subs. I think right now I'm sitting at a 91. So tell your friends to hurry up and sub to me so I can reach 100. And I know it's not a lot, it's not like 1,000 or anything, but to me it means a lot that some people actually like to watch my videos. By the way, you guys, do you guys like actually watch my videos or do you just have it on in the background? Because that's what I usually do, like having it on in the background when I'm doing homework or stuff. But yeah, let me know, drop it down in the comments below if you actually watch my videos or you just have it on as background noise. I also always wonder if people actually watch my tutorials as tutorials too, because if you guys do, am I going at a good pace? Like, do you guys get what I'm doing? Am I clear enough? I would really love some feedback as well for that part. And since I'm doing voiceovers for most of my videos, did you guys want captions for that, or did you just want them as plain like this? Because I don't mind adding captions in. I was just wondering if people actually watch my videos or not. And then for the next portion was the hibiscus flowers, and that part was probably the hardest part of the set for me. I don't know what it was, but anyways, you want to take a dotting tool and make 3 dots in a triangular pattern for 5 petals. I think the hardest part was trying to arrange them in a way that it didn't look like a star. You're then going to take a mini line brush and drag all the dots towards the middle. And then for the funky lines, I just drew some random lines that were in pairs and tapered off so that it would be thinner at the edge and then thicker in the middle. And then I also drew some dots alongside the line, but I did make sure to slowly decrease the size as I went up the line. And now I'm just drawing the stigma with the same color. I know it kind of looks weird, but it ends up looking cute at the end. And now I'm drawing on these same weird abstract lines on the thumb, the pointer finger, and the pinky. And I'm not going to be drawing on the hibiscus flowers just because I'm going to be adding charms to these fingers. And now we're done with the art, let's move on to the charms. And I've got all of these charms all from Amazon. We've got these flower charms, heart charms, and My Melody charms, as well as these pearls. And you guys already know I love using my Macar rhinestone glue. It really helps if you put this on before you top coat, because if you top coat after, I find that all of my rhinestones and charms tend to pop off easily. Now when I'm working with larger charms like the My Melody and the large heart, I like to go in with a lot of glue, and then when I stick down that charm, I go in with a cleanup brush and just wipe off any excess, just because I don't like that look of glue sticking out, but I do want enough adhesive for the charm to stay on. And here's what the set looks like before I put on our top coat. And now that I look at it real close, I just realized that I used 2 different colors of the bows, but you know what, it's okay, it's still cute. And now here's the set with the top coat. I like to top coat all of my charms just to keep them nice and glossy and to prevent anything from chipping. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see next. And don't forget to live your life with just a touch of fairy dust. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!